Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the CEO and founder of The Boutique by Ursula, which is an online fashion boutique for the everyday woman that will always have you in style. That's my tagline. Anyway, thank you for coming back. It has been a long time since I had a YouTube video. Well, let me not say that. Since I filmed, the last time I filmed the try-on haul, it was like 11 months ago. And this is the spring try-on haul for 2023. And my spring try-on haul for 2022 was 1 year ago. So it's been way too long. So I am back with a spring try-on haul. Okay, now let me tell you a little bit about The Boutique since it's been a while. Our mission here at The Boutique is to help every woman to gain her confidence through the way of fashion. Y'all all know when you look good, you feel good. And when you look good, you have a sense of confidence that comes over you. We help to bring the inner diva out. And remember, diva is not a negative connotation here, but it is just saying, you know you are that girl. Remember, we're still the total package here. Your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. So anyway, I am here today to bring you our spring try-on haul. Now, the spring try-on haul was released April 14th, 2023. And I know. It was a while ago, but we still have sizes available and we still have, I think, everything that's here, that's behind me. We still have it on the website. So that's why I decided to go ahead and do a try-on haul. And to kind of get back into the swing of things, I need to be a lot more consistent, not even a little. And I want to begin with our two-piece legging set, which is our mellow out legging set. This is the neon coral mellow out legging set. And what I did here, I just have on some flip-flops because I'm not styling. But this set can be dressed up or down. She is very, very comfortable. Look, my cuff is uncuffed back here. But we have the sleeve cuffs, V-neck, the side split here. This is a microfiber material. Feels really good against the skin. I mean, very, very soft to touch. It's almost like a really soft knit, but it's not knit, it's microfiber. And it is true to size. Our mellow out legging set comes in sizes small to extra large. I am wearing a large. Let you see the back. See, the back comes down. The mellow out legging set can be worn year round. You're lounging out at home, running errands, whatever. This is a really cute, comfortable set that you don't have to do much to. You could throw this on with a pair of sneakers. You can actually dress it up if you choose to and put it on with a pair of heels or flip-flops. I mean, it's up to you. I just want you to see that this is a very versatile piece. Like I said, this is the neon coral, and we also have it available in two other colors. This is our neon hot pink. This is the other color. This is our ice blue color. I didn't feel like I needed to put it on. She's available in all sizes. Now, the neon hot pink, we no longer have her in a size medium, but we still have small, large, and extra large available. I say go true to your size. Whatever size you wear, that's the size you need to get in this. Because I wear a large, so this is what I'm wearing, a large. But cute. Up next is our spot on tube jumpsuit. Let me let you see. She is cute. She is a statement piece. When you wear her, you are making a statement. I mean, she is fitted to the body. This is the back. She is another piece that can be dressed up or down. Of course, I'm wearing her here with sandals. But I have a picture, which I'm gonna pop up here. I dressed her up, accessorized her. Those frames are our Top It Off Sunnies, and we have them available as well. Right now, it's all about the spot on tube jumpsuit. She's like I guess a polyester material. It's kind of like soft material, really soft. This has elastic around here, and y'all, you might see stuff sticking out because all I did was take my bra straps and tuck them in. For a tall girl, this is not the piece for you. Unless, I mean, you can still rock her. She would just be more like a cropped look, kind of like capris. but it'll still rock. I mean, you'll still look good. You can still wear her. Remember, I always say, it's not what you wear, it's how you wear it. So as long as you rocking it, you have the attitude and the confidence to wear it, I mean, it's gonna look good because you make the outfit. The outfit don't make you. So anyway, she fits true to size. She comes in sizes small, medium, and large. And I am wearing a large. All of the pieces in this spring collection are on sale right now. They're all 25% off at shoptheboutique.com. And when you put the website in, let me tell you this, please listen. Come in close. Whenever you put the web address, when you're typing it in, make sure you put THEE. You cannot put shop the THE boutique because you will go to someone else's website. So whenever you're coming to me, you will put shop, SHOPTHEE, boutique.com. Remember that, always 2 E's, because this is the boutique by Ursula. I am the enhancer. When you put that the in front, that means the one. Okay, back to this. I'm wearing a large. I don't know where I was, what I was talking about, but this is the spot on tube jumpsuit. Next up is a really cute bodycon midi dress. This is our limited edition bodycon midi dress. Really, really cute. I love this dress. Now, I want to tell you something about this. You see how she is fitting like a glove? This is a medium that I'm wearing. The reason why I put on the medium is because I wanted you to see she contains stretch, and when you are wearing a bodycon dress, I don't know about you, but I know for me, I want it to fit. And I want it to fit to show off the curves, okay? She is razor back. You can wear her with a pair of heels like I have right here in the picture. Or you could dress her down with the cute pair of sandals. You could wear her with sneakers. She comes in sizes small, medium, and large. And like I just said, I'm wearing a medium. She is a very soft, I don't know what kind of material this is, but it feels like knit. But I don't think it's knit, so I'm not sure what it is. So if you are a limited edition, like our limited edition bodycon dress, grab her, add her to your cart. Remember, she is 25% off. Don't forget, 25% off any of the pieces that I'm showing to you today at shoptheboutique.com. Next up, we have our Blanco midi dress. We all need that classic white piece in our closet. And as you can see, she's one shoulder. Now keep in mind, when I turn around and you see all this going on back here, it's because I took my strap, just tucked it down. But this is the really cute Blanco midi dress. Now, she fits true to size. She has a lot of stretch. She comes in sizes small, medium, large. I'm wearing a large. She is not the thickest material, I have to be honest, but she is super cute. Now, she is very much so really cute if you're going on vacation, wear a swimsuit underneath. She can very much so be that as well, a swimsuit cover up. You can kind of see my bra through here, but she is so cute. I mean, she is a fashion statement. She has side ruching, as you can see here. When I say ruching, just in case you don't know, ruching is when it gathers. You see here, like this, that is ruching on the side. And she has ruching on each side. Check it out in the back and see just what I was talking about. And I am wearing a shaper, a body shaper, not a girdle. A body shaper shapes the body. It does just that. And if you want to know what shapers I wear, I have a video. It's old, but I still wear those shapers. I'm gonna link that video down below because I want you to look good whenever you step out in your The Boutique pieces. So I want you to see exactly what you need. Now for my plus size girls, over here at The Boutique, we call them right size, okay? Sean Melson, y'all ever heard of her? Well, anyway, because I grabbed a couple of my shapers from her, but she has plus size shapers as well. SeanMilsom.com right here. We don't gatekeep around here, so I'm letting you know. And you can also get regular size because I have some of those. But anyway, watch the video so you'll know exactly what to get. But I just wanted to let you know, just in case you are a right size girl, you too can wear a body shaper and your clothes can fit and smooth and look good when you step out, okay? Now, before I move on to what I have on now, I forgot to mention that the Blanco Midi dress can also be dressed up or down. You see here, I'm wearing her with a pair of heels, and then bam, she is cute with a pair of sneakers. It's just up to you. Now, on to this one. This is our sitting pretty. Now, you don't have to also sit, baby. You can walk, but chef's kiss. I absolutely love this piece. Now this, I love a Bodycon midi dress. I love them. But this one here, this is my favorite. And she fits so good. I mean, she zips up the back. She is stretchy. This one comes in sizes small, medium, and large. I am wearing a large. She fits true to size. Deep V-neck, as you can see. The girls will be on display. I mean, she's cute. So remember, she's 25% off. Yeah, we're getting close to the end. Just bear with me. I have just 2 more to show you. Well, actually, I don't necessarily have to show you the last one because it's just like this one. This is our Lucky Charm t-shirt dress. Really, really cute. This is the neon coral. She has front pockets, V-neck, and you can see she has the cuff sleeves. All of our Lucky Charm t-shirt dresses come in sizes small to extra large. I am wearing a large. They fit true to size. They are absolutely comfortable. This is the back. These pieces can be worn however you want to wear them. You can wear them with sandals, like so. You can put them on with a pair of heels, or you can wear them with some sneakers. Now, I don't have a picture with sneakers, but you can dress them down as well. Our other color that we have available is our golden wasabi. Let me just show you here. This is our golden wasabi color. She fits the exact same way as you can see here in the picture, and I'm wearing a large. That's it. I mean, it's nothing more to say. These Lucky Charm t-shirt dresses are cute, comfortable, and cozy. They are perfect to wherever you want to lounge around the house. You can go run your errands. You can do whatever you want. You can throw them on for a cute little lunch date. I mean, whatever. They're perfect. I love them. I appreciate you all being here with me throughout this try-on haul. If you have made it this far, I want you to stop, click that subscribe button. Don't forget about your notification bell so you will know whenever I upload a video. Leave me a comment and let me know which pieces you love, which pieces you will be ordering. And don't forget to place your order. All pieces are 25% off at shoptheboutique.com. Remember, you have to put 2 E's when you're typing in the website name, because 1 E, you will not come to me. Share the video. Of course, I mean, hey, don't be selfish. I know everyone don't like people to know where they're shopping at, but no one person will wear an outfit the same. You will not look the same. I don't care if you do have on the same outfit. So share the boutique with your family and your friends, and share my channel. I still have plenty of videos that you all can look at. I will see each of you in the next video. Same place, same channel. Adios.